In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show all schedule in Google Calendar 26. Let's get started by opening your web browser and going to Google Calendar at calendar.google.com. If you're asked to sign in, use your regular Google account so you land on the main calendar homepage. You should see your calendar view with dates, events, and the familiar Google Calendar layout. Now shift your attention to the top right area of the page. Up there, you'll find the controls that change how your calendar is displayed. Look for a small menu that shows the current view. This label often reads week by default, though it might also say day, month, or something similar depending on what you last used. It sits near the settings gear icon, so if you can see the gear, you're in the right neighborhood. Click the menu that shows the current view. When it opens, you'll see several options including day, week, month, year, and schedule. Choose schedule. The moment you select it, Google Calendar will switch into an agenda-style list. In Schedule View, all of your events appear in a clean chronological feed. Instead of spreading items across a grid, this view lines everything up so you can quickly scan what's coming next. All-day events appear clearly at the top of each date, and timed events follow underneath with their start times, titles, and locations if you've added them. It's especially helpful if your weeks feel crowded in the week or month layouts, and you want a simple list that shows everything at a glance. If your schedule looks sparse, don't worry. First, make sure the correct calendars are visible. On the left side, there's a list of your calendars. When a calendar is checked, its events appear, and when it's unchecked, they're hidden. Also, confirm you're looking at the right time frame. Use the Today button near the top to jump back to the current day, and scroll to move forward or backward in time. You can also use the search bar at the top to find specific events by keyword, which works great in Schedule View. That's all there is to it. Go to Google Calendar, open the View menu in the top right area, and switch to Schedule. From there, your full lineup of upcoming events is neatly organized in one continuous list, making it easier to plan, prioritize, and stay on top of your day. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined view in Google Calendar.